So friends, is this the right time to invest in properties? I can give you 3 suggestions. My name is Hussain Tayyab. I am a owner at 53 acres. I am a property consultant, entrepreneur and a digital marketer, and I deal in only clear title commercial and residential properties in Pune. I help people buying and selling properties and assisting them with proper inspection, valuation and documentation of the properties. And I want people to become rich, prosperous and wealthy and financially free by investing in the right properties at the right price. So in this time I am getting many inquiries. People are asking me that is this the right time to invest in properties? So I give them 3 suggestions. First is, if you are looking to buy a property for yourself, if you want to stay or if you want to use it for your personal use, then I think this is the best time to invest in properties, because there are many distressed sales in the market right now and many builders are offering a very good discounted price and they are ready to give further discount if you have the money ready with you. Second thing, if you are looking to buy any under construction properties, so I suggest you see the builder's background first. If builder has completed his past projects on time and what are his reviews in the market, and only give payment slab wise. I don't suggest anyone to go on a bank loan. And if you are looking for an under construction property, then you can pay slab wise. If how much the slab is completed, you can pay as per the slab. And I don't suggest anyone to give full amount to any builder on under construction properties. This is my suggestion. And the third thing, if you are looking to buy any pre-leased properties, then commercial property is the best bet. Means you will get the best returns on investment by investing in commercial properties. Approximately 4% to 8% ROI annually is a very good return, which you will get only in commercial properties. You will not get this much of ROI in residential properties. Residential properties maximum the ROI comes to 2.5 or 3%. So if you are looking for an investment, you can go for a commercial property. And I don't suggest anyone to go in pre-leased plots. This is my own suggestion, that don't go for pre-leased plots, because it is not as much easier to sell a plot than it is easy to sell a shop. So if you are looking for investment, you can buy any shop and you will rent it. You can rent it out easily, and it is also very easy for you to resell the property. So for any property assistance, kindly contact me. If you are looking to buy any property in Pune, kindly contact me. My name is Hussain Tayyab. My firm name is 53 acres and my contact number is 8888 537777. Thank you.